welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very quick, super easy, simple recipe for you, and it is one of my all-time favourite drinks, especially this time of the year. It is, of course, a pumpkin spice latte. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't think you can beat a Starbucks pumpkin spice, and I know some people have slated it, other people rave about it. I think it's the best thing ever, especially about autumn. It's one of my favourite things as the fall autumn season comes around. It's pumpkin spice lattes. So today I am attempting to make my very own, and I'm going to show you the process and let you guys know what I think of this recipe. I found it online, super easy, super simple. So first of all, let's start with the things that you will need. You will need some milk. I opted for whole milk, which usually I would just go semi-skimmed, but in order to make it super creamy, indulgent and delicious, we're going full fat today. You will of course need your very own Starbucks mug or any super festive autumnal mug. This one I actually picked up from TK Maxx or HomeSense? No, it's TK Maxx, and I think it was about £3 or £2.49, something like that. Super, super affordable, and they have loads. I actually have a coffee flask Starbucks one as well, again from TK Maxx, so worth checking out in your local TK Maxx store. We need some squirty cream for decorative purposes and all the yumminess. There are light options. Again, I went for full fat. You will need some pumpkin puree. You can get these from your local supermarkets. I don't know if they sell these all year round, but I've certainly seen them in a couple of supermarkets at this time of the year. So I've stocked up, I've bought a couple of cans ready for, they go out of date December 2019. So this will last me till next autumn. I also picked up these from Asda, which again, I'm going to use for decorative purposes. I'm yet to try them, so I'll let you know what I think of them once they're opened. But they are cinnamon flavour tortilla rolls. That sounds delightful. So I'm going to put one or two of these on top within the cream. I'm so excited for this. Just regular spices that you may already have, and literally it's going to be tiny, teeny amounts of these. So if you don't have them, it's not the be all and end all, or if you just have a couple, then that's fine. But we've got some ground nutmeg, some ground cloves, some allspice, ground ginger and ground cinnamon. You will also need some strong coffee. Now I only have instant coffee, so I'm going to use a couple of heaped teaspoons full just to make it really strong. But if you do have a coffee machine, like an espresso or two would be perfect. And again, you can customize this to your desired preference in terms of the strength of your coffee. I like mine quite strong personally. You will also need some sugar. I've got this light brown soft sugar. I think it works nice with this recipe, but any sugar will do, so whatever sugar you've got in your cupboards, just use that. But for today, I'm going to be using a light brown sugar. And then last but not least, some decorative pumpkins. I love the size of these. I thought they worked really well together, and these munchkin pumpkins are so cute. I think they're about 75p from Asda, 60p, and about £1 for this one. This is squash, I think. Okay, so first of all, you want to add the milk, about 1.5 cups of milk. And I'm just gonna put this on number 4 actually, just to let it simmer. And then the brewed coffee, which is similar, probably a little less than 1.5 cups. Then you want to add around 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. And then for the pumpkin puree, I'm going to do around about 2 tablespoons of this. Then you want to add just a little of your spice mix, and then you want to just let this heat up. Should be looking a little something like this. Then you want to pour it into your all-time favourite mug for pumpkin spice lattes. So this recipe is actually just done around about, there's a little bit left over for one person. Then you want to shake up your squirty cream. This is the best part. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little of my favourite spice, which is cinnamon, over the top. Then let's give these a whirl and see what they are like. So I'm going to pop one in there and a second one there. So this, guys, is the finished result. This is my all-time favourite drink. Taste test. Let's try one of these. These are incredible. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this little recipe video. If you want any more cooking or baking videos, especially as we have Vlogmas coming up, then do let me know any suggestions or ideas that you have for me down in the comments. Now it's time for me to go put my feet up, put on some YouTube, maybe even some Netflix, and chill with my pumpkin spice latte. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have, Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, you will need some pumpkin, and so that is it. I hope you, so guys that is today's video. It is of course, so go, oh I still got cream everywhere, yeah.